Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to open up two Excel workbooks at the same time. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So let's say for the purpose of this video, this is my first workbook that's open. If you want to open up a second one while this one's open, that's fine. All you want to do is just go down and right click on the active Excel icon down in your taskbar right here. You want to right click on it, and then just left click on Excel. And this will actually open up another Excel document here, or Excel workbook. So if you wanted to open up something, you're more than welcome to, or just open up a blank workbook. So you can see we have two separate workbooks here open at the same time. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.